Okay. Would you ever try a girl again? Joffrey Wavra aproba aumento de 35% aro gastos replace de gas pa gas. 35%. Well, he's not minister yet for futuro, so it's minister for Raiz under the
under that
Gabinete
one.
de Waiver. What's up with him, by the way? I thought he got makarela high up like some jail time or something.
Listen.
And he did say, si mi haya algo, me da salia fo. Is he still in?
He's not now. The judge apparently made a.
I'm gonna call Marco. Marco, confirmado aqui.
That's why being back was a seat and it's papi kubo sa rato.
Definitely, look, we're gonna hold you guys accountable 100%.
Damn right.
Hey yo, what's up?
Hola, chemisters.
Guys, welcome back to an episode that we haven't done in a while.
Legit.
A solo episode. No guest. We wanted to take a little break.
Only in Curacao we did that, the last one, but that was like a recap shit.
What do you mean?
Like Curacao
Oh, yeah,
was
but
like
that's
recap.
normal. That's to be expected. Yeah, we haven't done this in a while. We just wanted to take a little break. We've been well, for you guys, it hasn't been go. But for us, it's been go. We did 13 episodes in Curacao. But so we had to take a little bit of a break with guests. We do have some really cool, lined up. We got a little old setup back. Pero Sam, we just want to take a little break, just hang out, do a little catch up with you guys, just explain what's been going on, what's happening, what's coming up. We got some cool projects coming up, which I would love to talk about.
Yeah, but we can't,
Unfortunately. Because I don't want to say it and then it doesn't happen. And then, what's up?
I mean, we'll say it after. Like, y'all relax. Y'all can find out either way. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. If it doesn't go through, we'll still tell you. Like, we'll still be open about it. But it's kind of like girl, I'm going to do all of this to you in the bedroom. And then you last 2 minutes, you know? I don't want to do that to you guys. So we're not going to tell you where it is yet. But if it does happen, me at least, I will be so fucking happy because it's been like one of my goals for No Filter, at least, to get this far.
And y'all know I'm a hippie. I just live life for living life. So I'm just grateful for all experiences and just talk to people all over the world.
You're grateful for every experience?
Every single one.
Even something that you might not like?
100%. Because I learned something from it.
Okay. Would you ever try a girl again?
No. But I've learned that I don't like it. Okay. You see?
Damn it. I was trying to make a joke, but it didn't go.
I know.
I didn't think it through. I was like,
sorry, I'm a hippie. I told you. Like, y'all think it's a joke. I'm a hippie for real, for real.
So we do have some really cool stuff coming up. I don't know if we've mentioned this already, but we do have 13 episodes coming with No Filter.
Yeah, you said that.
But like on this episode, but have we spoken about it before already? I think we did record it, but we didn't release it yet. Because it's the first episode of the season.
I mean, we kind of talked to like Rella about it.
Yeah. If you haven't seen the episode, guys, go check it out.
Yes.
That lady, damn, bro. Like,
that was some good convo.
Yeah.
That was some good convo.
If you don't know much about Ronella, if you know who Rella is, she is the CEO of ATA, the Aruba Tourism Authority. And her story is pretty cool. Very, she's the definition of someone who like work your ass off.
For sure.
Like a definition, like.
To this day.
It's.
But it's also when you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work type shit.
But I also got to learn about her. I didn't know, like, I didn't think we were gonna go, for example, into her divorce.
Yeah.
Like I thought we were gonna talk about ATA and all that stuff. But to go into her past life, her divorce, imagine handling COVID as ATA, going through a divorce, going through this like all at the same damn time. And still like, oh yeah, just had to be done.
Listen, this is how you measure your strength. I feel like is in those times is when you really realize like, oh shit, this is my full fucking potential. Mm-hmm. Especially once you get over those things, it's like, man, what the fuck is next? Like, bring that shit on. I'm ready for all of this.
Getting pissed off because you didn't get your morning coffee. Motherfucker, shut up.
Yeah, like, who does that?
So, yeah, man, Curacao, go watch Renella's episode. Curacao was really good. 13 freaking episodes. We wanted 8. No, we were aiming for 8. Like, if we got 10, fuck yeah. But then we ended up getting 13 episodes, which is super cool. That season starts
March.
Yeah, I want to say first week of March, but everything also depends on Carnival because we also want to we want to talk with Darren as well, the Amaran, after the whole Carnival season is finished. Bring him on.
I'm not gonna be here though.
The fuck?
Yeah, no.
I'm hearing. Why am I hearing about this now?
I'm leaving.
Where are you leaving? The fuck? Where? What?
I mean, as of right now, I'm leaving for Curacao
Oh,
from the 1st to the 5th. So I'm not gonna be here for Aruba's Carnival. I know. I'm missing Carnival. I know.
I'm kind of in shock.
I know. I was like, okay. I did not know that.
Neither did I. Just fucking found.
That's what I'm saying.
I knew you were going to Curacao. I didn't think you were going for so long. I thought it's like okay, those días being back.
I thought it was like maybe I would have flown out on like the
Monday
2nd or the 3rd.
Yeah. Like Carnival Sunday, Monday you fly out, you do your thing, come back.
Yeah, no, they're like it's the 1st to the 5th. So I'm like,
where are you staying?
I don't have no information.
All you know is you're going.
I just know I'm going, and apparently, allegedly, I'm in it. Yeah, I know. It's wilder, like the full-on Curacao experience.
But they didn't tell you anything else.
I don't know.
Now I'm curious.
I don't have the itinerary. I don't have anything.
You gonna vlog this?
Most probably. I mean, you know, I live for the bullshit. Like,
yeah.
So
damn.
I know. I'm pretty excited, but
I'm not.
I was just about to swallow.
I'm not. I'm like, so now I have to wait for you to come. So if you come back the 5th, when is the 5th? Like a Friday or?
I don't know. I didn't even check the dates. I just know it's the 1st to the 5th.
Oh my fucking gosh! Are you make my life so difficult?
I know.
So I gotta keep track of a wife and a girlfriend.
So now listen. So
wait, you come back the 5th.
The 5th, yeah.
Damn, that's on a Wednesday.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
What do you
But then
mean?
we have to just do probably that on like before, like
we
just close out. Like, hey, how does this feel?
Yeah,
like,
we can ask him like the 27th, 28th.
Yeah, we'll have to start booking him now though, just so he can put it in his schedule.
Yeah, because we're also talking to Buleria.
Oh yeah,
We want to bring Buleria, the full gang, on the show.
Yeah, so we're waiting for Tumba to go by.
Correcto.
So now Tumba Curacao is happening.
Correcto.
Which is gonna be Friday. Is gonna be like the main event itself.
Yeah.
And Raka is participating.
Correct. That's why we have to wait for him to come back.
We'll just wait. So that's gonna be even better story now to talk to the band about. You know. So
we were hoping as well Icons comes back to Aruba, and if they do, we bring them on as well. If they come back, not sure. We also are in the talks with.
I feel like we need a solo with Booty though.
Yeah.
I feel like
what's that switch about?
Like,
the switch. The switch. We'll have Buleria and a special guest surprise, Booty.
Not even. He needs like a solo. Like
no, and we wanted to do him in Curacao.
I know.
But he was training and he was busy practicing or whatever.
Yeah, they had Icons like they take Tumba very serious.
100%.
It's not even a joke. 100%. So I'm like, no, do your big one.
We have we're also in the talks. I've been 24 horas. Speed and Patrick. So I'm supposed to text him this week. If you're watching this, or either text him yesterday or text him today. Because today, so I'm texting him this week so we can interview him hopefully next week. That's a little bit of an update to give you guys what's happening.
Yeah, like what's going on.
And then after this, I know moments. I have the text to prove it. He did say like ora Carnival pasa, mi tabin si kaboso.
He did say that.
So hopefully he still he shows up for hopefully kuni of kudaran no sa a Carnival season aki, filter. And so that's when we start Curacao, which Curacao is going to be a 3-month season, which is going to be fucking dope.
Really, really good.
Yeah. And then after that, we have another special thing where we can't talk about as well. Because some of you motherfuckers going to be copying us.
This guy.
But that's also going to be super interesting. You know what's one episode I want to do, what I'm waiting for is Mi Kepa Gobierno Sin Tapacaba. So we can bring on, what's her name? Whoever sits.
Because like we still freaking waiting.
Yeah, because apparently right now it seems like it's going to be Futura and AVP. So they all agreed that they will come back on the show. Yes or no? They all said.
We have proof.
Yeah.
I mean, y'all saw the episode.
Yeah.
So like,
at the end of the episode, I always ask me, Ivy Tao being back in the show, will being back? Siguro ko si, no te problema. Cool. Ora, Gobierno Sinda, I hope this email finds you well. Please look at attachment clip. You say you'll come back. Ivy Tao being back in the show, and hopefully nosta Sinda ko ipati ko Gobierno Novo, and see, what's their plan. And obviously, I have something over here.
Ooh, that's gonna be fun.
I saw Dangi. We had to talk about this, but Dangi posted something about Joffrey Wavera aprova aumento di 35% aro gastos de preço de gas para casa. 35%. Fuck. And was I like...
And Dangi's so petty. Like...
They just started, man. Like, give him a break. Give him a break. And like, 2 months old, I figure it out.
Dangi is so messy. What did he comment? Well, like, what did he caption it?
Su caption nangasali malo ka ba? Me te espero justamente preço. Me te espero justamente que o preço não lo baja y no lo tem inflación más. Futuro ministro de futuro, como dite regalo para pueblo.
That's messy.
But okay, so like, but the bisa Minister Joffrey Wavera aprova. So does that mean? Well, he's not minister yet for futuro, so it's minister for Raiz under the
under that
gabinete de waiver. Does Dangi can't say na como se malacaba se qualquer algo bom de bo administration.
It is.
I may be wrong, guys. We're not political people, but I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, please comment. Let me know.
No, I think you're right. I could be wrong as well, but we don't give a fuck.
I guess
this is
opinion-based.
This is what we're saying based off of what the fuck we just read. If you don't like it, then log the fuck off. Okay? Shit. Anyways, I don't think you're wrong, but I think where he's coming from, the Bosa Kumisa Malokaba, because you're the ones electing to go in next. You're fucking up yourself with what you're busy with. Like you're about to take over next up. So what are you doing? Like
for me, how I see it's what I just said. It's like
it is.
Minister Joffrey Wavera, the Minister Joffrey Wavera, and the Minister ainda novo.
He's still the Minister Biel from the old cabinet.
Which is Gabinete Waiver Cruz, which is Dangi's also administration.
But they're not continuing on. Minister Joffrey Wavera, sita vai seguir o minister.
Me te compreender, pero eu disse, se agora implementar acaba por mim. Dus it's kind of like
waiver approved.
Y'all saw this coming. It's like algo de área para amanhã, so they already know it was coming. So we don't culpa guy aqui para futuro.
Toch wel, guy keep a culpa.
He's
the one approved it.
But at the same time, don't be pointing fingers when it happened under your watch too.
I mean, that's all of them. It's a bunch of childish games with these motherfuckers. That's why being back was a seat that is papi kubo rato.
Look, we're gonna hold you guys accountable 100%.
Damn right.
This is the beauty of having. I'm really happy we did the political show because now we can just hold all these motherfuckers accountable.
Oh, for sure. Be back.
It's like, hey, Bosa.
Come sit down here. Let me tell you two things quick. Match.
Nah, but it's yeah.
Can you imagine if like we get like a plot twist and it's like AVP and Map just sit together? Like they just leave Futuro out and just like, boop.
What? Oh.
Like.
I don't think that will never happen.
I don't know. Because lately I saw Mike Eman just said something like recently a few days ago. He's
oh my fucking hey, guy Aki. Pouco dia saiu de missão de Agibisa. Me te quiere, cunos te empuja, si da cosas para el público não.
Sam,
pueblo está sufriendo.
This house is fucking you up because your attitude is giving. Like,
house?
Your house situation. Like, the attitude is giving.
Oh, I was going to mention
y'all don't even know who this new Samila is. Like, boop, 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 boop. Like, you on a roll.
Not really. I was good until you brought up. I was like, "What do you mean house?"
Expect the face, like
I know, but also I'm gonna have to look back at my camera and look at my face. But let's not even talk about the house. Now you're really pissing me off.
No, I'm sorry. Yeah, no.
That should have been done a while ago.
Listen, it is what it is. Everything takes its time. I told you, there's some good you're gonna learn out of this once it's over. You're gonna see. Now you're probably not gonna see it, but once it's over, you're gonna be like.
Did I tell you about the tile situation? Mm-hmm. That when all over to Colombia, picked out tiles just to come back, and the guy ordered a whole different tile. Mm-hmm. Want to fucking kill the guy. Mm-hmm. And then we had to go yesterday.
Now yesterday again and buy new tiles again.
Yeah, buy new tiles yesterday. Shout out to Stamma Trading. I'm gonna give you that promo because the guy gave me a really good fucking deal. I've been to his store many times. Like, hey, hey, Sandy, relax. And he gave me. I told him my situation. He's like, fuck, man. He gave me a really good fucking deal. So, thank you. Perfect. Anyways, so you were saying something about Mike said something about AVP and MEP?
He didn't really say about like AVP and MEP, but he was kind of like throwing out there like it's anybody's game, like anything can happen. So
imagine if it's like a coalition, not coalition, but it's like, okay, map tayo tres, tayo tres, futuro tayo tanto. Anto, doon na, what's his fucking name?
they're not gonna give Atman nothing.
Atman?
They're
No?
not gonna give him nothing. No.
What's up with him, by the way? I thought he got Makela Haya like some jail time or something.
Listen.
And he did say, si mi haya algo, mi salya fo. Is he still in?
He's not now. The judge apparently made a.
No, I call Marco. Marco, confirmado aquí.
The judge allegedly made like a wrong ruling. So the ruling of him not being able to go into
How's a judge make a mistake?
right.
Like,
But
the fuck?
listen, again, this man did say from the get-go, he was like, these motherfuckers have nothing on me. He sat right here, he said it.
Some Donald Trump shit.
He was like, they don't have shit on me. They just talking shit, but they don't have shit on me. And you're going to see everything is going to come out to be bullshit and nada. And look, it's bullshit and nada.
Really?
The man is free
I
anyways.
know, but I wasn't. All I saw was o nasa que casa, genre. Everybody's like, "What's up? Liber." And I saw two people. Otmar being one of them got jail time or something with like so much community work. That's as far as I know. If there was a second thing,
After that is when the judge was like, okay, they gave him the wrong ruling. Because they also said that he couldn't go in like parliament for like 3 years and he couldn't go into like one bunch of stupid shit. I can't remember. I really can't remember the whole shit right
it's
now.
all good. It's all good.
But then,
We're both in the funk today.
but that's kind of like how that situation went down. So I don't know.
Okay, I'm not up to date. If anybody knows what's happening, please comment.
Yeah, no, y'all can feel free, comment, go crazy. Y'all correct us if we're wrong.
Please do. Because we don't want to be, I mean, we already look like idiots if we're wrong. But,
He looks like an idiot. I mean,
yeah, well, you know what I mean.
I'm not wearing that jacket. Not shit. Like, you got the right one.
But yeah, so let us know. Give us an update about Otmar. So, a mí menos aquí cuenta pasando Wogi. Ando, gobierno just fucking fueron para acá, pa no sabe algo pa.
Yeah, like y'all
what's
need to
going
hurry
on?
up. Come on.
I mean, look at that. Like, I mean, look, everybody's like, mi anda yendo bong, sí anda yendo bong, mucho positivo. Like, what the fuck is holding y'all back? Like, kikita is silver lining kumiste, like, okay, well, let's agree. Like, what's happening?
You know, I feel like
But to call someone-
if I'm just looking at it based off of all of the interviews I did, Wat Betref, Vote Pa King, No Filter, and Table X on XFM, everybody's plans are extremely different.
So,
The big three are very different from each other. MAP stands for one thing or like a few things that AVP and Futuro does not stand for. But Futuro and AVP, they are very different from each other as well. So it's like, how are you going to come to a middle ground to decide, okay, this is exactly what I want. This is how I want it. But then you have to also deal with, well, this is what the fuck I want. And this is how I want it.
Yeah.
So the reason y'all are not on my team was because we can't agree on the same thing. So that's why we made our own our parties.
but then I started thinking about, cool, like, you can't come to an agreement because you want to do things on your own terms. Is it personal when you're being selfish and we have to do it my way? Not for like, here's the big picture. Here's the problem. I want my way to solve it, not your way. But we're all trying to solve the same fucking problem here. So why can't we figure out a way like how to come down the middle?
But that's what both parties are going to be on. Both are going to be, well, my way is better. I've been here. I have the experience. But then the other ones are going to be like, well, we know what the people want clearly because that's what they asked for us. So you're going to be in that conflict of who's right, who's wrong, who makes sense, who's going to back down, because I'm not backing down because what I want is, in my opinion, this is correct. I want these in order for me to thrive. And you're going to now make sure that you're going to thrive as well. So you're going to be like, nah, well, I want these. Yeah. Who the fuck going to back down now?
I also saw something about Schiphol. Something with the airport.
Airport?
Mike wants to do something with the airport.
I don't know.
Have you seen anything about it?
I have not. I'm sorry.
No, that's right. I mean, I only saw headlines, you know?
Yeah, no.
I'm just going through 24 horas.
Yeah, no.
These people, 24 horas be posting anything nowadays.
Listen,
Like, hopefully, speed ku Patrick was a bit, mas being able to show you from papi ko pendejo. Pero,
I mean, I don't think they are fully. There's like a whole machine behind it.
dude, I'm seeing new faces. I'm like, who the fuck are
Yeah,
you?
it's
Like,
a whole machine. Like they just got enfoque.
yeah. But I always see like, these guys are everywhere. There's like those guys then like, and they're broadcasting both at the same time. Like, damn, you're like,
No,
they
that's
got a
the point.
staff. Well, these people are posting anything and everything between like 20 friends. But anyway, that's enough about politics.
Yeah, like we done with y'all.
I want to give a shout out to everybody who has been following No Filter Eats.
Her.
So I know we've been slacking slightly. Hey! We have Mr. Jason. You really have on those? We got gifts.
Her.
Sabe? We know we're still recording. Well, you get that one. I want to see it. Guys, we got a hat. Hold on.
Ooh.
Oh, shit. Ho, ho, ho. It's a monster Christmas.
Sharkado din ba barrio?
Yo. Hey, nada tiempo, guys. Shark, for Carnival.
I'm not here.
You can take it to Curacao, bitch.
I'm probably in it. Hello, sir. Like,
sombre.
I might take this to the beach though, cause
Dude, honestly,
you know I'm a beach
really
girl.
good quality. Hey,
I'm an island girl. Okay, we stay beaching.
you got shirts. Ando ba es un iced tea mi favorito.
I feel like I could just wear this only to the beach. Like,
Yeah, get coolers.
just be naked and
Oh no!
a hat.
Oh no! It's sunglasses. Hey guys, sorry. Welcome to Snow Filter Unboxing, a new show. We should start that too. Bro, look at it. Carnival.
Oh, that's like the Viper.
Yeah. Brother.
That actually looks really good on you. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know about the hat, but I'm talking without the hat. Let me just see like without the hat real quick. Give me like 2 seconds. Ew.
Yeah.
Okay, put the hat back on though. Yeah, you have a big ass head.
Damn.
No tea, no shade.
No,
It's a
but-
cute big head though. But that's fire.
Here, try it. It's actually nice. Bro, this. Bisa kita? Pati ko bisa mo sige what? E parece inflatable. Sa?
He was like, Minsa? Yeah, no, I look the fuck good.
All right. Well, let's see what I can show. Hey, sorry guys. Let's get distracted.
What?
Miti patch mo mistizo?
Yeah, no, I look the fuck good.
Bro, it's with a comfortable time as well.
I look good in everything too, so that's like also
Being that the fucking tempo.
that's also that.
Hey, quanto po tinha patch aqui? Quanto po tinha sa kanan? Sa. Oh, mas depois tem mas faz um giveaway de biyaha. Sa por quanto po tinha 10? Done. Guys, we're giving away these super awesome Monster Rehab. It's the iced tea one. I actually like, wait, it's right here. This one. Bro, only 25 calories, coconut water, 3 grams of sugar. All right.
Huh.
If you want one of these hats, do me a favor. I don't know yet. Give me something, Shark.
Yeah, no. Y'all, listen. It's been
Give
a
me
while
something.
since y'all did some comment droppings.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
So,
yeah.
no, drop some
Just
fucking
comment.
comments.
Just comment
Okay?
anything. I don't care. Emojis. I don't care.
Once you're in the comment section, you already officially participating.
Done.
Just drop a comment. Like,
Done. And we'll announce them on Instagram.
yeah,
10 people are gonna win.
right here on YouTube.
Actually, 5 will win on Instagram, 5 will win on YouTube.
Let's do
Done?
that.
All right, I'm gonna wait. This is for Instagram. Sorry, guys. Hey, guys, we're giving away these hats. All right, Monster Rehab hats, perfect for the Carnival season. All you need to do, we're giving away 5. So all you need to do is comment down below. That's it. That's nada más. Just comment. Eso aquí su gente, 5 gente vegana. Anyways, I'm back in the show.
Yeah.
So, No Filter Eats. We've been getting great reactions, and this really came out of fucking nowhere. We had great reactions. We really love doing it. We're enjoying it. We're trying to lose weight as well, so it's kind of hard for us. Pero
Don't do that.
how's the gym going, Shark?
Don't do that. Jim has been slacking for like a few days.
I went yesterday.
Yeah, no, I have been slacking for a few days, but I'm gonna start back tomorrow.
Good. That's good. Pero No filter. Go in the link down in the description. No filter eats. Go follow the account. We're almost, bro. That's a big fucking box. We're almost at 1,000. We're at 977. We started this account when we launched the first video, which is January 3rd. So apparently we're releasing once every month. I'm kidding. It's supposed to be every week. So next week we'll have another video. Pero we've been getting a lot of love on this account. We're going to be doing a lot of reviews, sharpening a big list of places we're going to go try. So if you're commenting something, Shark is taking the notes, I'm taking the notes, and then we're making an Excel sheet, and we're going to hit every single freaking one you guys tell us to go hit. So comment down below, qua food truck, qua restaurant, the guy come.
And also what from the menu we should try. Like what is like y'all's recommendations? Because that would be dope as well if you can get that.
People literally, I saw somebody comment like, I've been waiting. Something along the lines of like, they've been waiting to see someone post or talk about this place so they can go and try, which is the smokehouse one. And now they're going a lot. So anyways, guys, I think we can end it right here. I think we have nothing else to update you guys on. Shout out to Jason for showing up at the right time.
Thank you, Mr. Jason.
I see a big box. I'm very curious to know what that is. Is that a fridge? Guys, subscribe, like, comment, all that good shit. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Peace. Oh, si você tem pergunta para Rocco, se você tem pergunta para Speed 24 horas, se você tem pergunta para Jeon, vai follow nos no Instagram e nós põe na question box, você manda tudo você pergunta na para nós, pergunta nos guests na. E by deze, tot próxima. Ayo, peace.